Umetri rangba ke jelau kodat ke sangma ka khanyo tarik ukalalik kot araja arpuar umshim la kran tikra la ka darkam de e ban khodor bar kirpang ban ya kran halor ka jia bet khaput bar ka asam.
One cannot say that that in one meeting we resolve things. It's a continuous process, and it's a very complicated issue. So therefore, small details, villages, population, area, contiguity, so many factors are there involved in this, and therefore, and it has to be done in a way that is we carry everybody along. So you need to continuously meet stakeholders, share with them the discussions that are taking place. So one cannot just simply say that it's the last meeting or the first meeting. As I said, the process will continue till we are able to find a solution.
Sir, last time you mentioned that both governments are going to share the details. So
we are
in today's meeting, what was the discussion, and then what did you decide?
No, what the discussion was, that's something that will not be appropriate for me to share right now. As I said, it's a part of the process of trying to come to a conclusion. But the reports are being made by both the states, and I'm sure that within the next couple of days, the reports will be submitted by the departments to the states, and then we will once again sit down and then discuss those issues and see if we can move forward with those reports that are.
And going to the Union Home Minister,
we will see. Yeah, we will see. Our intention is there. Our desire is there to try to find some solution before the 21st. But as I said, that does not mean that we will just simply rush into it. We will do our due diligence, and we will ensure that we carefully examine every aspect, and and we'll try to do something before 21st. And if it does happen and we do agree on some aspects, then we will move to Delhi and we will share the information, because it is the entire process started with the intervention of the Home Ministry, where they had urged us to find a solution to this long pending demand.
Ukodut uloong balik ba ki komiti repair la jan baro ki baidan benta ki kap khaput ki layo ba kren uloong ru ba kador bar kirpang ka batang shisgi kan bentoy de e ba ya kren ya ka kam balas lamba.
The two governments are talking. It's a government-to-government discussion. So therefore, we have already discussed with different stakeholders that are involved out there. So therefore, we will examine if there's a need for it. But as I said, we have done our exercise of consultation with different political parties, with different stakeholders, multiple times, in fact. So therefore, it has gone beyond just simply calling a session and one-day program. It's been a very meticulous exercise. So therefore, it's gone beyond a simple one-day special session, but a lot of work has been done, and a lot of stakeholders have been consulted.